got a new FPGA. I also just finished the serial communicator that goes with it. I bought another module, it's USB to TTL, so that I can read from it. Check this out. Bit of C++ program to read what comes out of the USB data line. I press this button. There you go. There's a message I sent. The message goes straight into a database that I built, and from there a nodejs page that I used so that I can browse it. It just took me around 2 months to build it. It was the greatest waste of time of my life so far. Cool, right? Yeah. I could barely build this fucking thing because Quartus doesn't really help on Linux. It's a pain in the ass. Sometimes it programs correctly, sometimes it doesn't. It just does what it does. Yeah. 64 bits per 64 bits a message that you can hold in the register. Then the register the component. Divided in 8 bits, I'll send through the USB data line. Everything is handled by this ugly piece of code that I stole and reappropriated for my uses. Very cool. Yeah, this wasn't a nightmare to compile because I didn't have the correct packaging. You would think that Ubuntu would come with the databases for C++, but it doesn't. It really doesn't. I had to install it myself. Figured it out.